Hello and good morning, friends. Today we are going to solve the first exercise of the R.D. Sharma book of Class 8 Mathematics. It is the chapter Rational Number. So, in this chapter, the first exercise is so see the second question. Here we have to add the following numbers. Okay, so here it's the same as question number one, but the thing is that there we have the different. There we have the same denominator, but here we have the different denominator. So now let's start to make these questions. So see the first question. Here it has been told to add 3 by 4 and minus 5 by 8. So here first we'll take the LCM. At the left side I shown how to take the LCM. So we'll take all the LCMs like this only. Okay. Now see so we have got the LCM 8. Now 4 2s are 8. So like that 3 2s are 6. So here we have given there 6 instead of and write plus and 8 ones are 8, so 5 ones are 5. 5 we have written and minus will be as it is. Now you see I have given their bracket because two sign can't be at 8 at the same place, so there we have given bracket. So to remove bracket, what to do? So we have to change the sign. So after the bracket we have plus sign, so the sign inside the bracket will remain as it is. So the sign will be minus only. So here we'll get the answer 6 minus 5 by 8. Okay, so to solve it, after solving it we get 1 by 8 is the answer. Now we'll make third question. I'm not going to make you second question because it is something like the first question. All the questions are related, but you have to apply some of your sense. After applying some of your sense, we'll be able to make these questions. So that's why I'm not going to make you each and every question. So now let's proceed to third question. Here it has been told to add minus 3 and 3 by 5. Here as you are thinking that when we have the same denominator, then we'll make them common. So if we have the same denominator, can we make it common? So no. All the denominators are made common. So here if we don't have any number beside the minus 3. So here that means it has 1 and the LCM of 1 and 5 is 5 only. You can make it, you can check it by making it. I've given you the process earlier. So as when we'll multiply 1 into 5 we'll get 5. So 3 into 5 that's 15. The sign of minus will come as it is. Instead of and give plus, then 5 ones are 5, so 3 ones are 3. So here we'll get minus 15 plus 3 by 5. Different signs, that means subtraction. So after subtracting we get 12. Minus is with bigger one, that's with 15. So the sign will be minus, so minus 15 by 5. This is the final answer. Even here you can convert it into the mixed fraction, that is minus 2 whole 2 by 5. But if you not convert like that also, then also it's okay. Okay, this answer is also not wrong. Now proceed to next question, that is question number 5. Now see question number 5. Here it has been told to add minus 31 by 4 and minus 5 by 8. So first, as you have seen it, it's a little bit lengthy. Yes, it's lengthy, but it's not that much lengthy. If you become professional, then you will not make each and every step. But because I have to make you explain, so I have done each and every step here. Now see here, as we have the first number minus 15 by 31 by minus 4. So here we have the sign minus at the denominator. So first we have to convert it into positive denominator. So to convert it, we have to first multiply into minus 1. Both the numbers should be multiplied. So like that we get the answer minus 31 by 4. So after that, first, then we have to get the final answer, the final equation, that is minus 31/4 plus minus 5/8. So here, like this, we get the final equation. Then now we have to solve it. So to solve, first take the LCM, that the LCM is 8. Then 4 into 2 is equals to 8. So 31 into 2, 62. The sign of minus will come as it is. Then plus will as it is, minus will as it is, and then 8 ones are 8. So 5 ones are 5. Again here we have given bracket to avoid the same sign with each other. Now here also we have changed the sign, because outside the bracket we have plus, so sign will not change. So minus 62 minus 5/8. So the answer would be minus 67/8, as we have same sign, so it will be added, and sign of minus is bigger, so we'll give here the sign of minus. Here also we can, as I have told earlier, that we can also write here as a mixed fraction, but if in the question it's not told that it's compulsory to add, it's not compulsory. If you don't write, it's also correct. Okay, so now here I have also made you written in the mixed fraction, that is minus 8 by minus 8 whole 3/8. So this answer is also correct. Now proceed to next question. Now suppose you'll make all the questions. So to now I'm making the question number 3, right? Simplify. So see here, the first question is minus 8 by 9 plus minus 11/6. So we have taken the LCM. After taking the LCM 18, when we have converted the numerator number, that is 9 to the 18, then 8 to the 16 plus, and then minus 6 to the 18, then 11 3 to the 33. Again we have given bracket to avoid same sign. Then outside the bracket plus, so inside the bracket sign will not change. So 16 minus 33 by 18. Different sign, so subtraction, answer would be 17 by 18. Sign of 33, that bigger, because 3 number is bigger, so the sign will be minus. So the final answer is minus 17 by 18. Now proceed to next question, that is question number 3. So see here in this question, it has been told to add minus 1 by 12 and 2 by 15. Here both the numbers, minus 12 and minus 15, both of them are denominator, and both of them are in negative form. So first we have converted them in the positive form. So you have seen how I have converted. So after converting it, then we got the final equation, that is minus 1 by 12 plus minus 2 by 15. So first from this equation, first we'll take out the LCM, that is 60. I have given you the process earlier, so you will follow that process only. After taking the LCM 60, then we have to convert the numerator. Okay, so 12 5 is 60, so minus 1 into 5 is equals to minus 5, plus 12 4 is 60, so minus 2 into 4 is equals to minus 8. So the final answer, the final equation, the next equation we got is minus 5 plus minus 8 by 60. So outside the bracket plus, inside minus, then sign will as it is. So minus 5 minus 8 by 60. So a final answer is minus 13 by 60. Now proceed to next question, that is question number 7. So see, this is question number 7. Here it has been. So here first we have to add minus 16 by 9 plus minus 5 by 12. So first we have taken the LCM 36. Then we have changed the numerator into minus 64 plus minus 15. Okay, minus 64 plus minus 15. Then we have changed the sign, and then we got the minus 64 minus 15 by 36. So as we have the same sign, so we will add here. Then after adding, we get minus 79 by 36. So this is the final answer. Now proceed to next question, that is question number 10. So see the question number 10. Here it has been told to add 1 plus minus 4 by 5. So to add, first we have to change the denominator into a common LCM. Okay, so the LCM is 5, then 1 into 5 is equals to 5, so 5 plus minus 4. Okay, so this will get the equation. After that we have to change the sign. Then after changing the sign, we get 5 minus 4 by 5. So after subtracting it, we get the final answer, that is 1 by 5. So it was the final answer. Now this question, this part, the third part was completed. Now proceed to question number 4. So see the question number 4, it has been told to add the fraction, the mixed, we have to add here, and then the sum, the final answer should be converted into mixed fraction. Okay, so now see here, the first question was minus 12 by 5 and 43 by 10. So first we have to solve it. So before like that, what we have solved, we have to solve like that only. The LCM was 10, then 5 to the 10, so minus 12 into 2 is equals to minus 24, then plus 43, and after subtracting it, we get 19 by 10. So as here it has been told to convert into mixed fractions, so to convert into mixed fraction, we have to divide here. So 10 into 1 is equals to 10, and after that we got the remainder 9. So 9 is not divided by the 10, so here we'll get to write here minus 1 whole 9 by 10. So it's the final answer. If you are confusing it, you can divide it and get the answer. Now see question number 2, it's a little bit different, as because in the question it has been told to convert into mixed fraction, but here we can't convert into mixed fraction. So first solve it. After solving, first we have to take the LCM. LCM is 28. After converting it, after taking it, the LCM, first we have to convert the numerator. So we get the answer 96 plus minus 77 by 28. So we have to change the sign. After changing the sign, we get the answer 96 minus 77 by 28. So after subtracting it, we get the answer 19 by 28. So here as we are saying that our denominator is bigger than numerator, so here we can't divide, so here we can't change it into the mixed fraction, so here it will be as it is. So now all the questions are like this only. So I request that so I suppose you all should make the question on the next 2 questions. So all the questions are very easy and simple. If you are having any doubt in any of the question, please ask me in the comment box. Now thank you, and I should suppose you'll make each and every question nicely, and if you're having any problem, you can ask again and again. I'll make any another video and upload it on this YouTube. So now thank you and bye.